If you love wireless charging but it just won't work in your car, you're not alone. Let's break down why it's so tricky and what you can do about it. First up, case problems. If your phone's wearing a thick or metal case, that wireless charger might not connect. Try taking the case off and see if that helps. Next, check your aim. Wireless chargers have a sweet spot. If your phone isn't lined up just right, it won't charge. Adjust your phone until you see that charging symbol. Also, is your charger even on? Sometimes the car needs to be running, or at least in accessory mode, for power to reach that pad. Double-check your car settings. Don't forget about compatibility. Some car chargers work best with certain phones. If your phone is too new or too old, it might not play nice with your car's system. And, hey, dirt happens. If the charging pad is dusty or your phone's got some grime, that connection might fail. Give both a quick wipe. If all else fails, try restarting your phone or checking for software updates. Sometimes it's just a glitch. So, before you blame your car, check these simple fixes. And maybe, just maybe, you'll finally get that sweet cable-free charge. Thanks for watching. Now go power up.